You can find all of our long-form tutorials at SKILLSHARE.com. Click below for a 2-month free subscription. Ooh, I can't wait to open this. Ooh, I just can't. Okay guys, so I know you remember this. This is the Google Cardboard, right? So you guys know this from about maybe 4 years ago. So Google came out with a VR set made completely out of paper. Well, I scored a limited edition Grow with Google VR headset, Google Cardboard, and I wanted to unbox it for you guys, and I wanted to do a color with me today. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like if you don't remember. It's very sturdy. It's a lot more sturdy than I thought it would be, but it's super sturdy, and I really like how you put it together. It's easy to fold up. You just flip it open and you put your phone in there, and voila, you have yourself a VR headset. So I decided to stick with very, kind of Google-esque colors, I guess you could say. I'm using Prism markers for this color with me today. And I'm also using Muji pins. Muji pins. Yeah, so I colored the dome red and also the awnings red, so I thought that would be really cool. Also colored some of the houses kind of red with the Google theme, and then I started putting in some yellows. I really liked how that was balancing out. So yeah, I wasn't sure, like I went into this coloring and I decided not to lay out what I wanted my colors to be. I wanted to freeform it because I thought that would just be a little bit more creative, and sometimes when I freeform I get a better layout than when I try to plan so much. So I'm sure you want to know, how was I able to get this VR headset? Well, I have been taking Grow with Google workshops in New York City, and I went to their open house and they had these awesome headsets, and I went to them and I said, hey, don't you want to give me one, because I'd love to review it and talk about it. And they said sure, and they gave me an amazing interview. So at the end of the month, please come back to this channel and you can see how the workshops work. The workshops are totally free. They're for adult learning, and I've really been enjoying myself. It's really put a new spark in my job, and I didn't think I would enjoy it as much as I have been, but I really have been enjoying going to the Google workshops. So I'm not a tech channel, so I'm not gonna try to give you like specs or anything like that on VR technology, but I do love this headset. I really do. I mean, I think it's functional, and the great part about it is that when I'm done with it, I can recycle the entire headset. It's also super affordable too. It runs in at about $15 per set. You can get 2 for $25, and the technology is amazing. When I first looked in it, because I didn't get much into the whole VR scene when it first came out, and it's been really hot in New York City, and especially during the winter time, when you go to like the outdoor events, everybody wants to do VR, virtual reality. So I never got much into it, but then when I picked this up for review, I thought to myself, this is awesome. Where has VR technology been all my life? So as you can see, I didn't really deviate from the Google Color theme for this color with me. I stuck to mostly the basics. This one isn't in the Google theme, but I'm just doing accents with my emoji pins, so it's not really noticeable. But I think it came out really good. What do you guys think? I think it's awesome. I did add a little pink, but that's okay. In order to set up your VR headset, you just go to your Google Cardboard app. You can click Demo, and it shows you how to put your phone into the VR headset, okay? Then you pick up your VR headset, you open it up, put the phone gently inside, make sure you put it down facing in that direction, and it pops directly into VR mode. Thank you for joining this color with me, guys. This was super fun. I really like doing this. Tell me in the comments below if you want more color with me. Maybe we'll do like theme boards for design or something. I'd really like your opinion. So let me know how you like this color with me, and I will see you soon, my creative thinkers. Bye, guys.